hanap work serye dito sa Canada. Ganito kasi yon. Tinawagan din ako sa city, right? To which I did an interview. Tapos tinawagan din ako sa isang post-secondary school dito sa BC. Ang nangyari dun sa post-secondary school, although they gave me 2 interviews, parang iniisip ko na I don't think that position is for me. I don't think I will be happier there. Kasi may tinanong ako na about the scope of work at saka kung gaano karami ang mga project nila right now na iha-handle ko. Ang problema doon, ang sagot nila, very many. Paano mo makaquantify yung very many? Ang naisip ko rin, like, okay, will I be a disappointment to myself na ilalagay ko yung sarili ko sa napakadaming project tapos hindi ko naman makakayanan and then they will be disappointed in me too. All of that. I withdrew my application. I sent them an email. Sabi ko, I would like to respectfully withdraw my application and look forward to seeing you guys in the future, whether via work or anything chuchu, ganon. Wala akong sinabing details. Sabi ko lang, I would like to withdraw my application. Meaning, ayaw ko na they can move on to the next candidate. Seriously, when I did that, am I happy when I did that? Yes, I was very happy when I did that. I felt like it was the right decision for me at the time because there was so much uncertainty doon sa application na yun. And everyone was new over there. But I do know that they like me very much as well. Pero meron siyang pasabog ha. Hindi doon natatapos ang kwento ng post-secondary school application kong 'yan. Humahaba na 'to. Sa susunod na kwento naman. Have a beautiful day.